Hey everybody, Tim Thomas here today. I want to record a video and talk about the 12-minute affiliate system. Folks, this program is making me commissions every single day, and I'll show you some proof of that in just a moment. I first of all want to ask that you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the subscribe button, guys. Give the video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate that if you get value and content out of the video. Folks, it's our goal to upload video content as often as possible. We try to do a video per day for the next 30 days, if at all possible. We want our message to resonate, and that's when you upload videos, guys, whether it be on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, wherever you make a post. You want it to be relevant to the audience that is listening. And you want to be consistent in your efforts. And folks, your Clickbank accounts, your affiliate programs, whatever you're promoting will explode. As you guys know, that I'm heavily involved in direct mail. Direct mail has been incredible. It has made me a wealthy person. It has been a blessing in my life. It's been exciting. And those mail order programs are working in the background. I have took the opportunity to slide and diversify the portfolio to make money online, also with online programs, which are incredible. Some of our mail order programs are online. So we got the best of both worlds. And I'm going to be updating you later on in this week the status on some of our mail order programs, what's going on, some things that are new and exciting. And we'll be talking about the Millionaire Mailer. We'll be talking about the postcard cash machines, all that good stuff that we're involved in. Instant postcard wealth. Folks, that thing's churning out commissions on a daily basis, and we're excited about it. And guys, the way to make money daily in these systems is that you do it over and over and over again. You talk about them, and if it resonates to your audience that you're offering something of value, they will partner themselves with you. Folks, I found a system that you can promote any affiliate offer, any programs. They have done for you built funnels. Funnel software, folks. There is some funnel software out there that has lead capture pages and funnels that can cost you $97 per month. It's unbelievable. You can get this, guys, for pennies on the dollar compared to that, and I'll show you the prices again in just a moment. But the 12-minute affiliate program is incredible. Folks, you can get a lead capture page that look just like this. And these are all Clickbank products. And there are several products on Clickbank that I'm going to review on the YouTube channel. So get ready. If you watch these videos, guys, I'm going to talk about programs that give value in the marketplace. Now, we know that Clickbank got a lot of programs. As you look here, Clickbank, it's virtually endless what you can promote. You go to the marketplace, folks, and in the marketplace, folks, you can find ebooks on arts and entertainment, TV, betting systems, business and cooking, internet marketing, education, fiction, weight loss, health, fitness, gardening. Folks, it is unbelievable the products that can be promoted on Clickbank, and then you make an affiliate commission. To make an affiliate sale means that you're selling somebody else's product. You solve problems in people's lives. But what I am attempting to do is to show you a simple way that you can run traffic to a lead capture page, and the email follow-up is provided for you, done for you funnels to the niche of your choice. The three that the 12-minute affiliate focuses on is health and weight loss. And also, I'll click onto it and I'll show you health, weight loss, personal development. And while it's going there, I'll give it a minute to show up. Okay. Home business, health, and weight loss, personal development. These are the three niches. And these are the three biggest money-making niches online today. And you can get a done for you set and forget funnel. They will set it up for you and give you a phone call and let you know that the system has been set up for you. Folks, that is incredible to me. They got a staff that works like 10 to 6 every day to answer any questions that you may have. So some of the top affiliate programs have been provided for you. There are 4 programs that I'm going to talk about on my YouTube channel. I'm going to review them, and I'm going to take like a week or 2 and review one program. I'm going to take of a Clickbank product that's converting for me. Then I'm going to take a week or 2 and talk about another Clickbank program. And then the 3rd and 4th week, I'm going to talk about another program. So there are 3 or 4 that I'm going to review on the YouTube channel. Now, there are some that I'm just going to get the lead capture page and run traffic to. But the ones that I find that will be most helpful to the average person who wants to make money online, those are the programs that I am going to review on the channel. Now, done for you funnels. Done for you. You can go into home business, guys. And under the home business, they have funnels with bridge pages. Bridge pages that are ready to go. Look at these instant funnels. You click on the instant funnels and it'll show you a smorgasbord of whatever you're promoting. You can put the opt-in link here. These are done for you lead capture pages, and all you do is plug your Clickbank ID in and it will follow up. The system will follow up. Guys, look, this lead capture page, folks, let me show you this. This thing is converting. For those of y'all that know how well conversions are, this thing is converting at about 50%. Absolutely incredible. That's just one of the 10 capture pages that you get into the niche. And guys, it's a beautiful bridge page. A bridge page is what softens up the buyer. It gets them warmed up to you. Look at this warning, be very careful. And then it'll take you to the product and the service, which I am promoting right now, the 12-minute affiliate program. And I'll tell you why. Well, this is going to take you to Zippo Pay right here. That's a great program, but we'll go talk about that in a little bit. But guys, just an outstanding way, guys, to promote Clickbank products. Any Clickbank product you want to put in there, you can put in there, as long as it pertains to home business, weight loss, personal development. Those niches are the ones that we're promoting with this system. It is a done for you. It has step-by-step training, coaching. And guys, look at this. This is incredible. I'm going to show you in just a minute what the system has done for me, how amazing the system has been for me since I signed up. And I'm going to upload some done for you videos on how it works, guys. You click onto the getting started area, step by step. You can get coaching. You can upgrade your account and all this, and the funnels, guys. It's just amazing. When you get a chance, guys, get in here, click on getting started, go by the step-by-step instructions. It is done for you, simple. If you have trouble, get hung up, they will do it for you on your behalf. Just a tremendous value. Now, again, these promote some of the top heavily promoted products on Clickbank. These are the ones that the affiliates are making the most money and the most affiliates are promoting. I have selected 3 different products that I am going to be reviewing. I'm going to be reviewing Clickbank University. It says our clients has earned $3.5 billion. I'm going to be promoting this product on my YouTube channel, talking about the benefits of it, talking about how it can help you, talking about what works now, talking about the what you'll get if you decide to get involved with it. I'm going to be reviewing this product and sending you some golden nuggets, guys, on what I have reviewed in this program. Clickbank products, guys. I love when we receive these checks in the mail. Now, there is another one called John Podesta's Super Affiliate System. I'm going to be reviewing this on the YouTube channel. Guys, it shows you how to go and from 0 to 100K in a year on this product. It's incredible. And guys, Clickbank Passive Income is another program that I'm going to be promoting. Let me see if I can find it. It's somewhere. I may have clicked off for it, but that's another pro. Here it is. The Clickbank Passive Income License for a turnkey system to make money online for the past 5 years, introducing 5.0. Guys, I'm going to be reviewing this on the YouTube channel and telling you the value that you get when you get involved with this program. Super excited. about this program too. It'll help you promote Clickbank products and become a better affiliate marketer to help make you more money online. It's all about mindset, vision, and getting it done. Now, guys, look at this. This is amazing. We have a Facebook group where we're very active in here. This is for the people that want to join the 12-minute affiliate and become a part of this private Facebook group. You got to be a member in order to join. You cannot be approved, guys, until you join the 12-minute affiliate. Now, and we post success stories. Anybody needs help, we post information. So excited. Here's Devon Brown. He created the group. Welcome to the 100 Affiliate K Inner Circle Facebook group, and it gives you some few step-by-steps that you need to look at before joining. Super excited about that. Now, here is some of the results that I have been experienced to the system. Guys, if you get a certain amount of sales, they'll send you to the vacation of your choice. If within the system, within the first 45 days, if you get like 8 sales, I believe. If you create 8 sales in the first 45 days, I believe that you will get a vacation. Look at this, guys. I have already qualified my first week. My first week, guys, I was able to create, let me see. Here's my reporting. It says, "Hi, everyone. I'm totally excited." Here's what I posted. This was April the 12th. I had more sales come in since then. Copy my Clickbank count. It says, "Hi, everyone. I'm totally excited. The system has helped me to get 10 sales my first week." Now, guys, since this post, April the 12th, folks, I've had 7 more Clickbank sales come into the system. Folks, this is exciting to be able to promote a system such as this. So, 10 sales my first week. I'll also post it. There we go. There is my sales that came in. And here is my post here. It says, "I'm ready for my vacation to Myrtle Beach." And then Devon replied, "Love it. We'll make sure we get squared away." Lisa will make sure. So, guys, just exciting to show people how to have a journey on to $100,000 in commissions with a done-for-you system to promote Clickbank, Warrior Plus. You can promote JV Zoo, any affiliate offer that you need a capture page. You need funnels, pre-built funnels. We got the system. If you want to change the links, we have custom-made funnels. Exciting, guys. And I have people joining this program on a daily basis. And guys, we're just getting started. I made sales my first day. Now, let me tell you what, folks, results may not be typical, but they are achievable. Anybody that takes action, follows a proven system, follows some steps, the sky can be the limit with a system such as this one. They have done for you traffic, done other methods, personal development library, top affiliate products you can choose from. They've been selected. The ones I've selected, guys, again, is the super affiliate system, Clickbank passive income, and Clickbank University that shows you a step-by-step university that will show you how to make money promoting Clickbank products, or just any niche that you choose. Exciting, guys. Exciting times are happening. So, again, guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I look forward to offering you more value. And before I go, guys, here are the levels. Let me show you. This is a bridge page. I want to show you. Okay, the levels of the membership. Now, this is how you can join. Now, this is several ways you can join. You can join one niche, or you can get all 3 niches. I immediately got all 3 niches, and I went all in. It's up to you how you decide to join this program. You can get one niche. You're going to get 10 fully ready to go affiliate funnels. 80 professional done for you follow-up messages. Folks, let me tell you what, when people opt in your autoresponder, they're going to get 80 professional done for you messages. Do you think you can make a sale if you buy some traffic or get some people to your site 80 times, you got a chance to win with this person. Unheard of. The inner circle access to our Facebook group, Funnel Wizard. You can create demand demand affiliate funnels in seconds. Instant piece of traffic formula. Guys, look at all these bonuses worth $3,100. And you can choose the basic membership, just $9.95. And then after 14 days, $47 per month, which is a steal. You can get a lifetime. If you know that you're going to be committed to the cause, you can pay one low payment and get this without any monthly payments. Same with the gold. The gold, you're going to get plug and play system, all the niches, 30 done for you affiliate funnels. Folks, this is unheard of. 240 done for you follow-up messages, inner circle access, pizza formula. And guys, you can get this again right now for $9.95. It's going to be $14 I mean, it's going to be $97 for all three in 14 days after. Super excited about that. You can choose the basic or the gold, and it's up to you. Or you can go all in. There are some people that are buying all in at the $9.97, at the $7.97, and they're getting it. Guys, look at the results here. We're going to go over. We're going to have a testimonial here of the system, and we'll go from there. Absolutely, people are getting sales. It says I don't even touch my computer because of a busy schedule. Wake up this morning, got another 2 sales, 12 subscribers so far this day. Thanks, Devon. Your team has helped me make 2 sales this week. The system works, folks. Flat out results. It works. Folks, again, like the video, comment below. And if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm always here. I'll leave my email address in the description. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye for now. Until the next video. Don't forget to get your system set up and get all in, guys.